7, 8.
Fancy ties, pinstripe suits, gold cufflinks, Italian shoes. But she likes boots. She wants a cowboy. New York City, Soho flat, Wall Street clean cut, hair slick back. But she likes hats. She wants a cowboy. Riding with him in the wide open Cheyenne wind. No fences can hold her. Rope in her dreams, Texas and smoke in his voice. She wants a cowboy. Motorcycles, turbo Porsches, sailboats, Rolls Royces. But she likes horses. She wants a cowboy. Riding with him in the wide open Cheyenne wind. No fences can hold her. Rope in her dreams, Texas and smoke in his voice. She wants a cowboy. Riding with me in the wide open Cheyenne wind. No fences can hold us. Rope in her dreams. Lucky for me, I was a choice. She wants a cowboy. She wants a cowboy.
This dance is She Wants a Cowboy, choreographed by Demusk. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step forward, rock forward, recover, shuffle a half left, step, pivot a half left, step, lock, step. Section 2, step forward, pivot 3/4 right, side chassé, cross rock back, recover, side together, forward. Section 3, press forward, recover, sweep left, behind side, cross, side together, cross and cross. Last section. Quarter right, half right, make another quarter right, side together, cross, side rock, recover, behind side. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. In this dance there is a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. So let me show you wall 4, facing 3 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. This is the end of 16 counts on wall 4, and you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And that's the whole dance.